Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with some information for you on Fannie Mae's new high loan-to-value refinance option. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of Fannie Mae guidelines. Also, this video was issued on November 6, 2018, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. So let's take a look at the high loan-to-value refinance option. Now this is coming out because the current Home Affordable Refinance Program, or HARP, will end on December 31st, 2018. So this high LTV refinance option available through Fannie Mae is for borrowers who have an existing Fannie Mae loan with LTVs that exceed the current limits. Let's take a look at the program eligibility basics. So in other words, this program is going to replace HARP for Fannie Mae. So this loan is for applications received on or after November 1st, 2018. It replaces the DU Refi Plus and the Refi Plus. It is meant for Fannie Mae to Fannie Mae mortgages, and the existing note date on the current mortgage must be on or after October 1st, 2017. Also, they have a seasoning requirement where 15 months must have passed between the note date of the existing mortgage and the note date of the new mortgage. Also, the existing mortgage must not have been previously delivered to Fannie Mae as a HARP loan. So if the current loan that you're trying to refinance to this new refinance option, it cannot currently be a HARP loan with Fannie Mae. Also, borrowers must be current on their payments on their existing mortgage and have no 30-day delinquencies in the last 6 months and no more than one 30-day delinquency in the last 12 months. And they cannot have any mortgage delinquencies greater than 30 days. Borrowers may use this high LTV option more than once as long as they're meeting those seasoning requirements. So the MI on the current loan, this is very similar to the current HARP program, and it's certainly a great benefit. So if there is MI on the existing loan, that will be transferred to the new loan. And typically it's going to be pretty much the same rate, but definitely check your guidelines on that. But here's where it's very much like the HARP, and this is definitely a benefit. So if the existing loan does not have mortgage insurance, but you're refinancing to this new option, just like the HARP, if they don't have MI now, they're not going to have it on the new loan regardless of the new loan to value. There's also simplified documentation for employment, income, and assets with this program, and it does allow for DU and manual underwriting. Now this one is interesting because this graph here shows you the minimum LTV ratio. So basically what they're showing you here, this is directly from the Fannie Mae website, is that in order to a borrower to be eligible for this program, if it's a one unit, their current LTV on the new loan has to be greater than 97.01%. So again, this is only meant for those borrowers who are in those high LTV situations. But definitely this gives you an idea here. For a second home, if it's a one unit, they would have to be above 90.01 at or above, and for investment property, it would be 75.01. The borrower benefit requirements. So Fannie Mae does require there to be a benefit to the borrower in order to do this mortgage. So one of the following must apply. They either need to be reducing their monthly principal and interest payment, or getting a lower interest rate, or a shorter amortization term, or going to a more stable product, such as going from an ARM to a fix, but one of these must apply. All right, that concludes this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out the Fannie Mae website to find more information about this program. Thanks again for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org to look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, loan officers, processors, closers, and post-closers. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.